Holy. Need to get the air box out of the way and bleed these lines, move some stuff out of the way, and I can start taking the steering apart, and then it's just ready to be cut out. Well, I've been trying to get this box out, the steering box out, and you know, you put a wrench on there and you just kind of round it off. So I'm gonna try torching the box out. That was fun. I don't do that often. I do it once in a while at work, but not enough to be comfortable yet. So I'm gonna start hammering on it and see if I can get this box to move right now. That was not fun at all. Look at that, loose. Everything's all off on this side. Just need to get at it with a grinder and clean it all up. Here's the power steering mount kit for the IFS box. This looks pretty simple. Just drill through the frame and have these go through the frame, and yeah. When you work in the garage alone, you need to find out ways to do it yourself. I've got the mag drill from work. This should make my life easier. So I thought this could be good. I am able to reach the steering shaft, but I guess the problem is you need to mount the steering box as far back as you can. So right now I am at, it's at like 5 1/4. I was reading some other guys put this bolt to about 4. So I guess I'm gonna put this all the way back to here and see if I'm close to 4. So what I need to do apparently is drill out that little rivet in the steering shaft. That rivet right there. Got that steering shaft in there now. It fits pretty nicely. You can see that where I extended it. Ready. Let's drill a hole. And the hole that we're using, you can see the light through it right there. Look how nice and straight that is. Sleeve. So now, wherever this goes is where my hole is. And my mark, like, looks bang on in there. It looks pretty bang on. So I might just go off of that anyways. Cool. All ready for the power steering bracket. These bolts that go through those holes I just drilled, I was told that these might not fit through here, and they were correct. So anyways, I just need to clean these up. One. Okay, I got the steering mount in where I think it needs to be. I need to maybe just turn the wheel a few times and see how everything looks. I think it's all good. I think I can weld those plates and move on from here. ready to install the steering box, which is just over there hanging. And yeah, this thing was awesome. Good. I had to take it all apart one time just so I can put this plastic piece on there. Anyways, it's all in, all good to go. And it's time to do the booster and the master cylinder. I'm sure some of you know already that I will be upgrading the booster to a, I think it's out of a T100, and then the master cylinder is out of a FJ80. This is all garbage, so woo. There we go. Or should I just leave this here? Found it. 4 bolts. Man, does it suck working under the dash, eh? The worst. My Land Cruiser was terrible. The FJ40, the steel dash. Oh, got it. Last one. I think she's ready to pop right out, but I was reading some other guys had some issues getting it out with the rod, or maybe not. Wow. Okay, how different. It's quite a bit bigger. Yeah, so the difference with this old one to the new one is instead of going on the top right here, this one goes on the side. So however I need to bend, I can probably just bend this to do that, which is no problem. Okay, last one is this one. But as you can see, there's no more top mount here. So, oh. Just like that. It almost looks professional. And I am far from a professional. Yeah, like, I just had to manipulate it a bit. Perfect. I didn't realize till right now, but the steering shaft is slightly touching the booster. So I need to give the booster a slight massaging to give some room for the steering shaft to spin around down there. You can see right there where the steering shaft is rubbing. Yes, it worked now. I just had to give it a little bit of hammering on the booster, and yeah, no problem. It's good now. Done.